All right, here's my 3-step quick process to prep my skin for makeup. First step, I'm starting with Beautycounter's Essence Toner. I love this so much because it helps restore the pH balance of my skin and prep it for the next step. Second step, I'm using the Beautycounter Radiance Serum. I love this so much because it helps with fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, skin elasticity, and being 45, the increased skin firmness. You guys, I absolutely love. Third step is my Dewy Daytime Moisturizer. This is from the Beautycounter's Countertime line. This is the Daytime Soft Cream. I've searched high and low for a moisturizer to perform under my makeup, primers, or BB cream while not reacting to it in the process. It's not lumpy, it's not bumpy, and a bonus, it doesn't sting my eyes, which I'm super, super sensitive to. Abracadabra, and I'm ready to conquer my day.